doesn't clean good. That feels like plastic here. That feels like glass. That feels like plastic. But okay, so here is our GoPro Hero 10. Look at it, GoPro Hero 10, and we have a killer update today, or don't we? Now I'm gonna show you how to do this manually here. This is the SD card where I put the software on, okay? The GoPro, the new software. Put that on there. So I insert that. So you wonder, why do I have the battery out? Because with my thick fingers, I can't get in there. If the battery is in here, I have a hard time pushing this in to lock it in. The card here, because you need like longer fingernails than me. And now we insert the battery. Close this thing. Okay. So the moment we turn this thing on, it's going to do the update. It's going to find the update files and it's going to update. Okay. Let's turn this on. I made sure that the battery is fully charged. There, look at this. You see that? There. It's working on stuff in the back and in the front. Both sides show that there is stuff going on. So it's most likely updating. Now, I mean, if you do have problems with your camera and it's not updating for you, look at this, what happened? It turned off. There, it turns back on here. Oh, there's more going on. So it rebooted and then it keeps going. This looks like either it's updating the back display here or it's updating the front display. One of both. If you do have problems with updating your GoPro and something does not work, go over here in the corner and visit the Fishy Comics channel. The Fish is the one with a specialist with all this. He has like a lot of things on the GoPro forum and he's helping people out when things go sideways. Much better than the GoPro people. And so he knows what he's talking about there. If you have a problem with updates, then there would be a good channel to look for how to solve problems. Oh, there we go. Look at this. Looks like it's ready. And now we can swipe down over to the left, go to Preferences. Oh, card here, About, GoPro Updates. But 1.30, that is the new version number. Battery info. Did you see that I have a battery, that I have an excellent battery? Man. And updates, you need the quick app for it. That I don't have right now. Because I'm using the phone here with the quick app on it. I use that to film this. And now we just have to find out what is new on the software. It's hard to say because the release notes from our friends at GoPro are not very specific in what actually happens. So I hope this did help you. Oh, I want to turn it off. Push and hold until it says power down. There, it's down. Okay, so yeah, I hope this video helped you. And you saw the new software. You guys have a great day.